You never really have to buy a seed in your life. You can just take what you're making for your dinner salad and take the seeds right out of it. So here's my cucumber, and I can take the little seedlings right here, pull them out, and use those for my plants. I've already cut a little bit more over. You see these are all seeds, and if I give it a day or two to dry, you want your seeds always to fully dry out. You can then take them and plant them. When you're taking your pepper seeds and using them for dinner, this middle section right here, just keep the seeds. These seeds have been drying for 2 days now, so I can just really break them apart. So initially you don't even have to break the seeds apart, just keep them right in that cluster, and once they're dry after the few days, they're ready to plant. So here's my peppers. Another thing is those tomatoes. So right when you're cutting that tomato for your dinner, you can just kind of take the seeds right there and pull them out. So gently, and still use that tomato for whatever you're making, that nice sandwich or your garden salad, and just remove the seeds for your planting. One that you always see for kids and a nice little houseplant is avocados. For avocados, you can just use water to start them off. So an avocado seed has a top and a bottom. The bottom is as so right here. It has a little circle, as you can see. You'll just take your avocado after you let it dry for about 2 days, the pit, and do the toothpick method. So poke a few toothpicks right in there, put it in water, and after about a week, you'll see that you will have a root growing. Within a month, you'll have a small plant, and if you do it right, over time, you'll have your very own avocado tree. For carrots, you can start them in water as well. You can eat your entire carrot, just keep the top of the plant and soak them in about a tablespoon of water, a spoonful of water. You want to replace that water every day. Same for your avocado. And as it grows roots, or for the carrot, as it starts to grow some leaves at the top, you can plant them into soil. Potatoes are great. Those little nubs that have some growth on them, you can pull them right off. You can even peel them off and just plant that. And you plant this right away into potting soil to get your very own crop of potatoes. Almost anything you can plant, especially if it's organic. A few vegetables now are not able to be replanted, but any organic variety you can replant. For your lettuce, it's similar to your avocado. Just take the root right here, put it in some water. You don't necessarily need to use toothpicks, but put it in water, spray the leaves with a little bit of a spritz of water, and it will slowly grow roots, and you can regrow that as well. Once you have roots, you can repot that.